I'm Shahir. Today we're excited to demo PermitPartner, our AI-powered chatbot built with PlayLab to make permit-ready, code-compliant plans faster and easier for everyone. Traditionally, preparing a permit plan meant searching through multiple code books, international, state, and local, just to find the specific requirement for your project. That's slow, frustrating, and easy to get wrong. PermitPartner fixes this by letting you select your county and project type right from the start. Right now, we've built out deep support for Fairfax County, Virginia. For example, let's say I'm designing a residential deck in Fairfax. I pick Fairfax County and residential deck from the menus. If my county isn't available yet, PermitPartner tells me exactly which code documents I need to upload so I can still get started. Once the basics are entered, PermitPartner walks me through only the essential questions needed for code compliance. It always tells me how many questions are left. If I forgot something, like the footing depth, PermitPartner pauses and asks just for the detail, nothing extra. It never asks for personal information or anything off topic. Behind the scenes, PermitPartner checks every answer against the actual code books we have uploaded, like the 2021 Virginia Construction Code and Fairfax County Standards, using PlayLab's advanced reference search tools. When I'm done, PermitPartner generates a single organized summary with all measurements, materials, and code requirements for my project. Everything is grouped by section, from framing to footings to stairs. And every recommendation is clearly cited to the specific code section or document. That way, you know exactly where each requirement comes from, making permit submission straightforward and defensible. PermitPartner only gives advice tailored to your selected county codes. If something's missing or unclear, it will let you know and ask for right document before moving on. We've built in graduals to chatbot, stay work focused, uses inclusive language, and never makes assumptions. Every output is fact checked for clarity and compliance. Right now, PermitPartner is laser focused on Fairfax County, but our vision is much bigger. We're working to expand to more counties, and eventually we want PermitPartner to help professionals nationwide handle code compliance and permit-ready planning, all in one chat. Thanks for watching our demo. If you want to try PermitPartner or learn more, check out the link below.
So here is the app. This basically asks you a few questions here to get some details about your project, and then PermitPartner uses that to give you the proper response. So the first one, what county, you just enter your county, and then you just check if it's residential, and then there's a drop-down menu for the project, and if the project isn't listed here, you just put others. And then here, if other, please specify, you just explain your project. So for this one, we're doing deck. So we're going to need both architectural and structural for this project. Size and dimension for this project is going to be 18 by 18. And then we'll say we have land surveys. And then if you have photos, you could say photos of properties, and then you could put them later down here. You just attach the files of the photos or the land survey, for example, here. And then we don't have anything. Yeah, we have talked to zoning. If you're not sure, you could say not sure here. It'll be slightly sloped. And then if you have any attached files or pictures, you would just add them here. Then you start. And then after you do that, it gives you a prompt that, are you ready to get started? You would say yes. And after this, it'll come up with customized questions for your project to get the best results and most accurate information for your county and for your project. So after the questions it asks you, like the questions it asks you, required questions, then here it gives you all the information. So it gives you the references, what references you used first, then it gives you the analysis. So it tells you it's in Fairfax County and everything, like the information about the project, and then it tells me like the joists, the beams, what type, what size, and everything about that. And see, as you go down, it tells you about you should use a 2.6 PT wood as joist, right? And then you can see the screw, everything, every detail about the project, and then you go to beams, and it's well organized, so you know where everything is. This saves a lot of time than going to the book, the code books, and searching after chapter to chapter and searching for the information. So here it gives you all in nice organized way, and you can see all the measurements uh, about the whole project. So it saves you a lot of time, especially new architects who aren't really used to code books. And we plan on expanding this beyond Fairfax County and helping the architectural community.